Struggle to start up a business? What if I tell you there's a business you can do here in Nigeria with just 10,000 naira? In this video, I'll be listing out the top 10 business ideas you can do here in Nigeria and earn massively from it. Okay, number one is sachet water. You can buy sachet water now that the weather is hot. You can buy sachet water and sell it to a public places or like parks, or if you have, even if you have a shop, and earn your money from it. Number two is popcorn business. We can just get a popcorn machine and make your popcorn, sell them, and you'll be getting 4,000 naira daily. Number three, a small scale poultry farm. You can get 2 or 3 chicks and make egg business from it. Number four is phone accessories. Do you know that with 10,000 naira you can get phone accessories like charger, like phone casing, and then sell it whether online or if you have a shop and make money from it? Because this is what people uses and they consume it daily. Like people make use of charger, people make use of earpiece, people make use of phone pouches. You can see people moving it or using barrow to move it around, or you can tell your friends that you are doing this kind of business and you earn massively from it. Okay, fish selling business. Yeah, fish selling business. You can go to wholesalers, get some fishes from them, and then you can turn it to a fish pond or even make point and kill business out of it. Let me know if there's any of this business that interests you. Please comment in my comment section, and please do not forget to like and subscribe for more money making tips. Bye.